This duly untyping machine is customized by a master customer. The effective processing torque of this machine is x-axis 2 meters, y-axis 300 mm, and z-axis 200 mm. The machine is equipped with two sets of precision servo mechanical spindles, which can perform duly untyping operations either simultaneously or individually. It adopts a CNC multi-channel pneumatic control system to control the two sets of servo mechanical spindles respectively. It can flexibly utilize each axis for processing according to the product requirements. Achieving high efficiency production, it is equipped with a multi-touch intelligence and collision device to ensure that there is low material interference when two sets of double spindles are processing at the same time. Each transmission shaft of the machine is controlled by an upstream solar motor with high position accuracy, faster, more stable performance. The new screw and guide wheels is slightly bound to prevent of power heavy with more strong stability. The machine is equipped with an automatic lubricating oil pump that provides clean and quality lubrication without the manual maintenance. Before the machine leaves the factory, it is tested for accuracy and compensated it by a USA API laser interferometer to ensure that the whole machine accuracy is kept within 0.02 mm. For more model introduction, follow my media account to learn more.